Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids. Today we're going to have a blast with the letter D. Are you ready to learn and color? Let's go. Look at this big, awesome letter D. It's the fourth letter of the alphabet. Can you say D? We're going to make our letter D orange today. Orange is such a bright and happy color. Let's color it together. Fantastic! Our letter D is now a vibrant orange. You did a great job. And look who's here. It's a dog. Dogs start with the letter D too. Can you say dog? Now, let's color our dog. I love the color light brown for dogs. It's so warm and cozy. Ready? Let's color. Wonderful! Our dog looks so cute with its light brown color. You can use light brown or any color you like. Look at our colorful letter D and our adorable dog. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for coloring and learning with me. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye! We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.